What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another Zodiac tutorial. If you're new, I have been doing a Zodiac series where I have been going through each Zodiac sign and creating a makeup look for that person with that sign. A makeup look that I feel like they'd be comfortable wearing and they would want to wear and that they would enjoy. And so I'm at Cancer now. I've been going in order. I am now at Cancer. So I've also been doing each of these looks with the Colourpop Zodiac Pigments as the star. I've been using the Colourpop Zodiac palette in every single look. And I've been using the compatible signs color in the look. So for Cancer, Cancer's compatible with Capricorn and Taurus. So I incorporated Capricorn and Taurus, the colors and the eyeshadows and pigments. I've incorporated those in this look and you guys have been really enjoying it, so I'm just really glad you guys have been liking the series. So today we're doing Cancer, which is the crab, which is this iridescent kind of bluish pinkish purple color, which I absolutely love. I think it looks so gorgeous, and I paired that up with the goat, which is the Capricorn pigment, which is this beautiful bronzy must-have color, and that's what's on this outside. And I really love how the whole look turned out. It was very glam, very beautiful, and I even used this pigment here, the crab, at the top of my cheekbones here to give me like an extra beam. I really love how this whole look turned out. It's very feminine, very pink and purple and beautiful, and I absolutely love how it turned out, you guys, and I hope you guys like it as well. Obviously anyone can wear this look, you don't have to be a Cancer, but I hope you Cancers out there really love how this look turned out and will try it, and just let me know if you will. If you are new, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload Monday, Wednesday, so definitely check back on my channel for a video Monday, Wednesday. Let's just get started with the tutorial. Alright, let's just get started. I don't have any nail polish on because the Cancer Kale polish is a gray one, and I'm wearing like pinky purple. The pigment itself is like a purple pink. The color inside the Zodiac palette is like a pink. So because of that, I'm not gonna wear gray on my nails. But the color in this little app says is white. Their color is white. So Cancer is June 21st to July 22nd, if you didn't know. I actually really like Cancers. I don't know any personally, but I feel like I would really like them and really get along with them just from reading their traits and things that, like how they are. I can tell I would really like them. They're very loyal. They're very family based. They're very emotional and they very understanding. So they are very sympathetic. They're very they can put themselves in other people's shoes, which I have a feeling I would really love, because I just have this thing where if people can't do that, it just is frustrating to me. Like, why can't you understand how other people feel? They're very persuasive, tenacious, imaginative, but they're moody, pessimistic, suspicious, manipulative, and insecure at times. So what the compatible signs are Capricorn and Taurus. I think I'm going to use the Capricorn because it's like this brown color and it's just really pretty. So let's start with the Libra right here. Start with the Libra. And I'm going to start putting that more in the transition area, which means is above, like this is the crease, like my divot. It's like up here on my bone. And then I would actually use this as a blush as well. And I'm super excited that Kathleen Lights came out with a blush that was exactly this color in blush form. I picked up all her blushes because I was so excited about that, and then I wanted to try all the other ones. I'm gonna get into the Taurus. I'm gonna pack that into the crease. So the reason I think I would really like Cancers is because they're very sentimental, and I love that. People that can be understanding, I feel like I can relate to, because that's something that I have. I feel like I can understand how people feel quite easily. And like I get it, like I understand. Which is probably why they're compatible with Capricorns, because being a Capricorn, I'm going back into the Libra, I feel like I really like that, and I would totally like jive with that and understand that. Let's get straight into business. I'm gonna use this Capricorn shade right here, and I'm gonna smudge that in this outer half, outer third, kind of, and kind of really close to the lashes as well. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to take into the crease. Because I have a tendency to be moody, I figure if I deepen up the outer corner, it would be that big of a deal, right? Because some days they might want that and some days they might not. I don't know. Comment below and tell me if you're a Cancer. Do you feel like you're moody? I'm moody all the time. Another reason why I think I would get it. I'm gonna take the Libra and put that all over the lid too, and use that to kind of blend out that black. They're the brave crab is what it says. They're very brave. I'm gonna just deepen that up a tiny bit. Yeah, if you're a Cancer, let me know down below. I feel like we would be best friends. I feel like I would definitely be best friends with a Cancer. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go into the crab pigment, which I think is really, really cool. And I'm just gonna put it on a brush and spray the brush and get in like that. Kinda the first half of the lid. Whoa. This is amazing. Do you guys see that color? Woo. It's like blue, but then when it hits some lights, it turns purple. This is a really cute color to also just pop in the inner corner of a look. Like I was debating doing a bronzy smoky eye or a bronzy look and just popping this in the inner corner. That would be really gorgeous and wearable as well. But I felt like since this is all about Cancer, I really need to use that color more than just doing that, you know what I mean? I then am gonna take the goat, which is Capricorn, and I'm gonna put that in this outer part and make it like a deep bronzy smoky look. Whoa, that actually looks pretty cool, you guys. I'm super excited. I am going to pop on some lashes very, very quickly, and then we'll move on to the face. I actually really love how this whole thing is turning out. Okay, so I popped on these lashes, and these are the Scandal lashes in Forbidden Fling. These are the ones I wear like every time. I don't even switch it up anymore. So I'm going to start by applying these Berry M Unicorn drops. And then I am gonna go with the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. So So I'll let that kind of dry a little bit so I can get sticky. Gosh, let's Glamouflage it up today. This is the Hard Candy Glamouflage. Ooh, nice and sticky. Put this on the face. It is raining today, so in relationships, Cancer is very emotional. They care more about the feelings in the relationship, the emotion. So if your significant other is a Cancer, focus on the feelings. Be loyal. They care more about family, which you should always be loyal anyways. So guys, if you didn't know, they actually just released the Zodiac palette in singles, so you can get a single eyeshadow if you don't want to get the full palette, which I think the full palette is just awesome. But they're releasing singles, and right now Colourpop is also selling the single eyeshadow with the corresponding pigment in a bundle, and everything's on sale last time I checked. So if you have been wanting to just get a single, you can now definitely do that. And you can get the corresponding pigment in a bundle with a discount, so that's great. All right, let's put some concealer on. I'm gonna use the Truly Yours concealer. And I'm just gonna go crazy, apparently. And then I'm gonna set that with, you know, this baby, you know. You guys know. I'm gonna get into the Libra and smudge that on the lower lashes, and I'm gonna get in very close with the Capricorn and smudge that in the lower lashes. To intensify that even more, I'm gonna put a black in the tight line and the waterline. Okay, for the inner corner, I'm gonna get into the Cancer in this palette. So I'm gonna get this Galactic Skin Glow in Moonlight. I'm gonna get into this highlight shade. I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna try this brightener in this Cover FX palette. See if this is silvery enough. There we go. That's what I want right there. That's what I want. Okay, did that. All right, let's start to contour. I'm gonna use this Tartiest Pro Glow. I'm gonna use this color to contour, this color to bronze, and let's see how that goes. I'm gonna mix the two blushes in this palette, and I'm gonna put that on. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get into this highlight right here. Can you see that? And then I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of this right in the top of my face. I skip that if it's not wearable, guys. You can totally skip that. I just want to get a little fancy, and I'm curious to see how that looks. So that's why I'm going to do that. But definitely skip it. I'm being totally selfish and just thinking about myself rather than the Cancers that are going to be watching this. So that's the only part. Just skip it. And I just want to tell you, Cancers, you're beautiful, you're gorgeous. You can wear this look, you can pull it off. You can accomplish anything you want if you are getting a little bit, if you're feeling insecure with yourself, don't. Just stop. Just be yourself. And just, you can wear this look. Try this look. I challenge you to try this look. Tag me on Instagram, Facebook, send me an Instagram message. Like, share it. You can do it. Like, you can be whoever you want to be. You can do whoever you want to. What? That sounded weird. You can do whoever you want to do. I can't believe I just said that. You have just as much right to pull off a full-on glam, gorgeous purple look than anyone. Like, you can do it. Okay, that's my preaching moment. All right, here we go with a little bit of this. Just in the top, so I'm putting on that pigment just at the very top here, which is the crab, which I love. I think it's so gorgeous. And then I'm gonna use my highlighting brush and just like go over that. Whoo! That looks gorgeous. Anyways, now it's just for the lips. Time for the lips. I'm gonna go with Rebel Rose from Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuits. So this is what I'm gonna do. Put it on, blend it in with my finger, and keep blending it in until it dries. See? It's almost more wearable that way. I'm gonna pop on Jaclyn Hill, That Girl, on top to make it more pink and wearable. Just in case you're wondering, I've been wearing this and it hasn't done anything to my lips at all. It's fine, whatevs. And let's see how it would look with this gloss on top. Oh yes! Okay, so this is the DC Dominic Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss here. Looking good. I'm gonna spritz myself with a spray. This spray is too strong. Not left with like splatters everywhere, like spit at me. Mess up my makeup. So I absolutely love how this look turned out. I think it looks so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love that pink and that bronze, and I love like just the pinks just all going together. I just love it, and it matches well with my shirt right now. Anyways, I absolutely love this. This actually would probably be a really good Libra look, because Libras love this color, but this was a Cancer pigment, so I had to do this. So I'm gonna have to come up with something different for Libra. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. You guys comment below, tell me, what's your sign? Do you think, you Cancers, do you think that that the personality and the traits and the stuff that we talked about was pretty accurate? Tell me what your significant other's sign is, because I'm curious to see if you're actually like married or dating your compatible sign. I'm just curious to know, you know. Love you, Iris. You're amazing. You're the star of the show every time. Love you. So that's it, you guys. I'll see you on Wednesday. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, bye.